Gorse is a nasty, spiny, invasive shrub that we are trying to contain and ultimately eradicate from the Queanbeyan-Palerang region. Council has been fortunate to obtain funding through the Weeds Action Program to support this strategic approach. The GorseBusters Search and Destroy project aims to search for isolated gorse plants and destroy them before they can spread further. Weed officers have found small infestations beside the Shoalhaven River and the Endrick River and are concerned it may have spread downstream. These are mostly pristine areas in difficult terrain that cannot be easily accessed using our normal weed inspection procedures. We're trialling a range of techniques to survey for gorse plants along 32 kilometres of the two rivers, which we would not normally be able to access. This includes aerial survey drones, an amphibious ATV, kayaking and extreme bushwalking. The surveys were interrupted by bushfires in late 2019, but we aim to finish these in late 2020. These infestations will be identified, mapped and defined by Gorse incursion plans. The plans will clearly state the varying biosecurity responsibilities by relevant stakeholders. By the end of the project, we hope to have found and destroyed any new plants and implemented an ongoing monitoring and eradication program for newly discovered sites containing gorse. We will also be aiming to give the broader community a greater understanding of this priority weed and provide encouragement to keep an eye out for any new gorse plants that might appear.